Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Take Key TV, and this channel we talk about organic chemistry. Basically, we'll be discussing about alcohol and esters, how formation of alcohol and ester, and at which process or at which chemical point should alcohol be reacting with. Is there any chemical means reacting alcohol with ester? Now let's go with alcohol. What is alcohol in the first place? They will ask you in organic chemistry, what is alcohol? Alcohol are aliphatic compounds that contain the OH group. OH means hydroxy group. So they contains the OH group, that, like I just said, hydroxy group in brackets. This compound is obtained by replacement of one or more hydrogen atom with OH group. Alcohols are generally known as alkanols. From alkane, when you bring alkane and put hydroxy as a compound, it becomes alkanols, right? So we talk about alcohols generally known as they are generally alcohols are generally known as alkanols, just like I have explained. They have a general formula of CnH2n plus and OH or ROH. R means the alkyl compound attached to the hydroxy group. All members of the homologous series of alcohols are toxic to a greater or lesser extent. Methanol is more toxic than ethanol. What is ethanol? That's another question. Small quantity of methanol is added to industrial ethanol to make it undrinkable. The mixture of small amount of methanol into large volume of ethanol is called methylated spirit. Then we are talking about methylated blindness and death and stuff like that. So methylated spirit causes blindness, just like I said, or death when consumed. It has industrial use and not used as beverage. The higher alcohol are moderately toxic and have unpleasant text. Alright, in this class we'll still be dealing on alcohols, and next we'll talk about manufacture of alcohols. Okay, during fermentation, you know what is fermentation? When ethanol ferments, it gives you alcohol. So during fermentation, a mixture of alcohols are usually produced in small amounts in addition to the ethanol, which is the major product. This is called fossil oil or bad liquor. It can be separated by fractional distillation. Ethanol is intoxicating when taken in a small amount, but toxic in large amount. It is addictive. It is addictive if consumed regularly, and it is said to be drug that is mostly abused. The term spirit is the distillation product of the fermented liquids with increased alcoholic concentration. Example: brandy is produced by drilling wine. Brandy is therefore a spirit. A typical spirit contains about 40% ethanol. Ethanol with 95% alcohol has 5% water. This type of ethanol is called rectified alcohol. The boiling point of pure ethanol is 78 degrees centigrade of the water by distillation over a good distance. So guys, this is the way I will stop for now. In next class we talk about manufacture of ethanol. So stay with Key TV, and also make sure you are subscribing and liking the video.